No. Keep your body right. Get your butt back. Push through. It's all about getting down. We good, y'all?
No response, so are they good?
Push off. You jump from here. Jump from the bottom, okay? Not from the top. Keep going. Ready? Take your 30-second rest. 30 seconds. Next time.
Are you having fun?
Next time.
She's not going to answer me.
Pushing through. I'm going to push you, okay? You ready? Drink that water. Y'all ready to go? You better be ready to push. I'm pushing you. I'm pushing you. You gotta push through. You got about 8 seconds left. Shake your muscles out. Do what you gotta do. 3, 2, 1. Go, go. It's all about fast now. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, y'all. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Come on, let's push. Come on, dig down, dig down, dig down. She's in it, she's scared. Push, come on, go. Come on, you got it. See, towards nice and tight. Come on, y'all. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Look at those smiles. They're all smiling.
Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, y'all. You got 5 seconds left. Come on, 4 and 3 and 2. Ready? Here we go. Power squat, drop down. Boom. Come on, it's about speed now. It's about speed and safety. Don't compromise for it. Remember, you can